Welcome back to another crafty workshop in this video. Today I'm going to be installing a harness bar in my R56 Mini Cooper, so stay tuned. The harness bar came in blue, and it was also a different shade of blue, so I decided to paint it in white to match the theme of the car. I spray painted the parts and left them to dry. I'm going to remove the rear seats to make room to work. I'll be using the screwdriver to release the clips. Now I'm going to twist and remove the seat. This is what the parts look like after the paint job. Now I'm going to remove this cover to gain access to the upper seat belt attachment. And now I'm going to do the other side. I'm going to remove this bolt and replace it with a longer bolt. I installed the bar, and I did not like the way how the bracket was attached to the B pillar. It had too much of an angle and the bracket did not sit flush. So I decided to remove the bracket and bend it to remove that crazy angle. After the bending, I'm going to sand and repaint these brackets. These bars are able to adjust and lock to the desired length. These holes are two different sizes. The larger hole is to attach to the lower seat belt. And now I'm going to attach these bars, but I'm not going to be reusing the spacers. Now I'm going to attach the two brackets and install the bar. Once all the parts are connected, I'm going to go over and tighten everything. I don't want to cut this B-pillar cover, so I'm going to get another cover and cut it to fit around the brackets. And that's gonna be it for this project. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions. And if you like this video, remember to hit that like button. And thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.